3955 Bald Knob Road offers the calm of country living just 3.5 miles from downtown Frankfort. This three-bedroom home features a central living area that flows into an open kitchen with stainless appliances. Just off the kitchen, a flex space works equally well as a dining room or rec area, with a combo full bath and laundry conveniently connected. One bedroom and a back mudroom complete the main floor, with 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. Outside, a covered front porch is perfect for watching the cars go by, while the secluded back deck offers a quiet retreat to unwind. Rural tranquility with city convenience just down the road. Contact Jordan Hall for more information or to schedule a showing.